Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So I think you have taken the recorded course earlier, and so we'll be starting from the beginning now completely. Okay,
Yes, yes, sir.
right. Okay. So let me share my screen. One second. Therefore, the very first topic which comes in a language is pronunciation, right? First of all, we have to do the ABCD.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so directly we'll not start the grammar. First of all, we have to do the ABCD. We'll see what letters are there, what script is there, okay, what are the respective sounds. So all this video PDF I will be sending you, right? The same what you have done in the recorded course. So I'm playing it. Listen the video. I'm playing it two
Yes,
three
sir.
times. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. Yeah, once again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. Okay. So I'm playing it once again. Listen to it.
Yes.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. Okay, so repeat with me. ABCD.
Yeah.
Repeat after me.
Yeah.
ABCD.
A, B, C,
ABCD.
A,
Again ABCD.
A, B.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. हेलो.
Sir, अभी
No, I cannot hear.
uh,
Yeah, now I can hear. Hmm.
yes. A,
No, again I cannot hear. आ तक आती है, then again it goes away.
A, B, C.
No, I cannot hear.
Sir, now.
No, I cannot hear. First letter can I can hear from, then the sound goes away.
A,
No. Some problem is there in your mic. Check it. I can just hear ah and then again the sound goes away.
mm, so let me try. Sir, now can you hear me properly?
Yes.
A, B.
नहीं यार, again the voice is going away. What's happening? I don't know.
Sir, I also don't know.
Now it's coming. Now it's coming.
Yeah. A, B.
पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है.
अरे यार. Sir, should I join?
देखो फर्स्ट वर्ड आता है आपके सेंटेंस का, देन अगेन इट गोज अवे. आई विल कट द कॉल, आई विल कॉल यू बैक. वेट.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, now am I audible?
एज ऑफ नाउ स्पीक ABCD.
Today,
AFG.
AFK.
ओके. देन हा ई यॉट का.
Ha, E.
नो, अगेन सेम प्रॉब्लम.
Ha, E, yacht का.
LMNO पे.
LMN.
QRST.
Who are.
सेम प्रॉब्लम इज देयर. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है आपके एंड, प्रॉब्लम है. वॉइस एक वर्ड आ रहा है मुझे बस, बाकी फिर जा रहा है पूरा.
Sir, is it okay?
नो, आई कैनॉट हियर.
Sir, wait. I will connect from my mobile, sir.
अब
Just
आ
one
रही है,
second.
अब आ रही है, अब आ रही है. QRST.
QRS.
ये आपके हेडफोन में दिक्कत है, वो कुछ हिल रहा है बार बार बोलते ही। कू एर एस टे,
हाँ, कू आर।
ऊ फाओ वे। आई कैन नॉट हियर। आप फोन से कनेक्ट कर लो स्काइप को बेटर।
हाँ सर।
ओके, या
या।
देन यू विल लॉग इन ऑन फोन, राइट?
यस सर।
यू विल लॉग इन ऑन फोन ना?
यस सर।
फोन पे लॉग इन करो, आई कॉल यू बैक इन 1 मिनट, ओके?
यस सर।
वेट अ मिनट।
Sir, am I audible now?
Yeah, now it's better. Okay, so repeat now. Abed said
Abed Sede,
AFG,
AFK,
ha E yotka,
E Yotka,
ha E H ha E yotka,
Ha E Yotka,
LMNOP,
LMNOP,
QRST,
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 UFAW,
UFAW,
XYZ.
XYZ.
Okay, so that is
Yes.
the German list of letters. See, what is the purpose of this? Example, whenever you are, just suppose you are telling your name to someone and the person doesn't know English and you are telling the
Yes.
spelling like MANA and the person will not be able to understand. So you have to use the German list of letters like MANAN, then S, ha, like this.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
so that is the purpose. So first of all, I am sending you this video. Okay, go through it, download this and go through it 3-4 times, and then I am giving you one exercise to solve. So I'm giving you some names of people which you have to try using these letter names.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, see, I have sent you the video. Download the video, go through it for 3-4 times, and
Okay.
I have sent you some names of people which you have to try using these letter names. So first of all, you go through the video 3-4 times. You go through the video. Take 5 minutes of time. Once you are ready, then we will start. So first example, I am telling Vishnu is Fao E S H N U like this.
Okay.
Okay. So go through it. Let me know once you are ready. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
You can start speaking one by one from each letter.
Uh, yes, sir. Sir, I think I'm forgetting.
एक बार go through करो, go through the video for 5 more minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Take your time. There's no hurry. A, B, C, D, E, F. Go through the entire video for 2-3 more times. Take 5 more minutes.
Yes, sir. Sir, Z is, how do you pronounce Z? Is it Z or un Z?
Unt means and.
Acha, un means and.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it's set. That is set. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Sir, I went through the video 3-4 times more.
Start from the first name, Vishnu.
Yeah, so V is Va.
फाओ पहले V से स्टार्ट होगा ना, V is फाओ
Fau, E, Shu,
S letter name you have to speak. S Ha
S, Ha,
N U.
N, U.
Yeah, next Fao
Fau,
E N O De Ha. Next S
E,
Hmm
Fau,
Hmm
A,
Hmm Ge
U,
M not Ma. M
okay, A, E,
Next Pe
U,
O
okay, P, O,
O Ve
E,
A not E.
okay.
ABCD AFG. So A
Yeah, A,
L
L,
Ge
G,
A
A,
O R
R,
Ge A
E,
Next Fao
Fau, E,
N
E,
A
okay, A, T,
Ha
H,
H is Ha and A. Next
R,
R
A,
not A.
and O,
Next
L,
A
sorry, A, K,
not K.
okay, Ka, S, say. Sorry, S is say or sir?
S
S, H,
not H.
Ha, M, I.
German list you have to speak, not English. Ha, yacht, ka. So E. Next
R,
Air, not R. Air.
air, O. Sir, I'm forgetting the words.
Fow.
Fow,
Hmm.
E,
A.
A,
Hmm.
L,
Hmm.
D,
Day.
day,
Hmm.
S,
Hmm.
O,
Hmm.
un,
U.
okay, U,
Z.
Z, A,
A.
A.
Now do one thing, go through the video again for 2-3 times and make a note of the letter names. A, B, C, D note करो पेपर के ऊपर. Okay?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, G is K.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's gay, not G.
K. Okay. K. Okay. Sir, can you hear this? I have written it down. If you could correct me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, not E. It's A, F, G.
G, E, G.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm saying A, F, G.
Okay. A, F, A. Okay, it's A.
Hmm.
A, F, G. Ha, I, Yochka, L, M, N, O.
It's not yacht. It's yacht. Ha, E, yacht. Yacht.
Okay. Ha, I, Yotka, L, M, N, O, P.
Pay, not P. LMNO, pay. P तो इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं, जर्मन इट्स पे.
हाँ, पे. Q, R, S, T, U, Fa, V, X.
Q R, not R. Q R S T.
Sir, Q is Q. R, S, T, same.
R,
Then U
no, it is not same. It's not same. It's R. Q R S. R, not R.
Okay, R.
Q R S T. T stay,
U,
not T. Stay,
okay, U, R, S, T.
U far away.
Okay, U, Fa, V, X, Epsilon, Z.
X epsilon Z. X,
Epsilon, Z.
X, not X. X.
Oh, X, okay.
X
Okay.
epsilon Z.
X, Epsilon, Z. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's try now.
Yeah. Now start from एक बार you try it at your end. एक बार whatever letter names you've written ना, on that basis you try it in your mind. संतु सिन्हा से.
Yeah.
Then after 5 minutes we'll speak them. पहले आप try करो. Don't do them in a hurry. Otherwise वो आधे अधूरे solve होंगे. Solve them properly first. Okay. Then let me know once you're ready. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sir, I'm ready.
Yeah, speak from the Santu. S.
From where, sir? Santu.
Santu.
Okay.
Santu.
S. Yeah. S.
Hmm.
A.
Hmm.
N.
Hmm.
T.
Hmm.
U.
Hmm.
S. A.
E. E.
E. E. Yeah. E. N. Ha. And A.
Hmm.
Then S. E. B. And E.
Next.
Then P. A. P. A. Then V is Fa.
Fow. Fow.
Okay. Fow. Fow. A. N. Ka. U. M. A. Air.
Hmm. Next.
M. A. Ha. E.
A. A.
A. S. And Ha.
Hmm. Next.
M. A. N. E.
A. A. Not E. It's A.
A.
Hmm.
S. S.
Hmm.
S.
Ha.
Ha.
Next.
S. O. M. A. N. A.
E. E. Somani.
E. E.
Hmm.
Yeah. E.
I is E. Next.
Yeah. D.
Day. Day.
A. D. A. A. P. A. Ka.
Hmm. Next.
A. A. Ka. T. And U.
A. Not U. It's A.
U is A.
U कहाँ है? एकता. E की टे A.
एकता.
A.
Yes,
Next.
yes. Sorry. C.
Say. Not C. Abed said it. Say.
Se. Ha. A. E. A. Sorry. A. Te. A.
E. I is E. Not A. E.
E.
Then Te.
Te. A.
N.
Then N.
Epsilon.
Epsilon.
A.
And A.
Next. Mishra.
M. A.
E.
M. E. S. Ha. Air.
R.
A.
A.
Air. A.
Next.
Ka.
Hmm.
U. M. A. Air. Air. A. Epsilon. U. De. U.
Next.
Ra.
R. Not Ra.
Air. A. M. A. S. Ha. V.
Way.
A.
W is way.
V. A. Air.
R.
Air. Te. Air. E. A. No, sorry. A.
E. I is E.
Yeah. E. Foul. Foul. E.
A.
De. And A.
E.
E. Yeah. And
Hmm.
M. A. N. A. N. S. Ha. A. Ha.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So this completes our letter names, right? Now we have to start with the sounds. Okay, so see here, I've shared my screen. Now we have to do the sounds. So far we have done the letter names, A, B, C, D. Now we have to do the sounds. So this PDF also I have sent you. The very first rule which comes in sound is, see, the first rule is, whenever any word, if it is ending with B, D or G, in German, any word, if it is ending with B, D or G, means in the end of the word if B, D or G is coming, then respectively the sound will be per, ta and ka, P, T and K sound will be there. Okay? So
Okay.
speak the example, geep,
Geep,
next kint,
kint,
tak.
ta.
Okay? Then after that, first letter is A. A is having two sounds, A and A. Okay, A is having two sounds, A and A. So after A, if it is one consonant, what is consonant? This B, C, D till Z, these are called consonants.
Yeah.
Okay, so after A, if it is one consonant, directly you have to count the consonant. After A, if it is one consonant, then it will have A sound, otherwise A sound. Okay,
Okay.
so I speak the example. देखो ALT में after A two consonants are there,
Okay.
right? So A sound will come, alt, A for Aman, alt,
Alt.
and FRAGEN after A only one is there.
Okay.
Right, directly only one is there because after that E is there, so we'll stop the counting here, so only one is there. Okay, I
Okay.
want the direct consonant. What are consonant is A, E, I, O, U are vowels and B, C, D till Z are consonants. So
Yeah.
direct consonants we have to count directly after A 2, here it is 1, here it is also 1. Okay, so after A, when it is only one consonant, when A is coming directly before single consonant, then it's A sound, otherwise A sound.
Okay.
So here A is coming before one consonant and here it is coming before double, so alt.
And what if there are more than 2, 3, 4?
सेम केस वही वाला मोर देन 2 3 इसी में आ गया अ साउंड आएगा फिर अल्ट. ओके,
Sound.
सो
Okay.
स्पीक
Alt.
अल्ट फ्रागन
Alt.
फ्रागन
Frugan.
फ्रागन नॉट फ्रूगन इट्स फ्रागन
Yeah. Fragan.
and
Tragan.
tragan. Okay, next E is having the A sound, A sound, there is no counting, simple A sound. Speak the example, essen
Essen.
and egal.
Egal.
Why? Because after A only one, so A sound will come. E का तो A आ गया और A का A आ गया, egal ऐसा, like this.
Egal.
Yes. Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. After I, if it is one consonant, then long E, otherwise short E. Okay. So speak the example, ist,
Ist.
wieder,
Widder.
and built.
Built.
Okay. Ist, wieder, and built.
Ist. Widder and built.
Yes. Next is O. O is having two sounds, O and O. After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound, otherwise O for awesome. Okay. After O, if it is one consonant, then it will be O sound, otherwise O for awesome. So speak the example, oder,
Oder.
Zoll,
Sol.
Monad, and Korb.
Monad and Quark.
Corp. Okay. Oder, Zoll, Monad, and Corp. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Next is U. U is having the U sound. Speak the example. Tun,
Tun.
Mutter, and Shoe.
Mutter and shoe.
Okay. Tun, Mutter, and Shoe. Simple?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I have sent you this PDF file. Okay. Download the file. I have sent you this file on your Skype chat.
Yes.
Okay. AEIOU. Download the file and go through the letter names. Go through all the 5 letter names. Go through all the 5 letter names and the rules and the example A, E, I, O, U. Then you will explain me everything from the top. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, hello.
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, SOLL Zol कैसे हुआ sir?
After O, it is two consonants. So, O sound, O for awesome. So all Zol
नहीं,
आ गया. And single S is Z sound. Zol.
okay, single S is Z sound.
Z,
Okay,
Z,
okay.
not Z. Z sound. Double S is Z.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Well, that letter name was different. That was S. That was letter name. Now we are not discussing letter names. Now we are discussing the sounds. Okay. Example.
okay.
When I call you Manan. I don't call you MANAN. Right?
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
MANAN is the letter name. Letters
Yes, sir.
composed. Your name is composed of. And when I speak a word, I use the sounds. So M is ma,
Okay,
A is a. So I mix everything. I speak Manan like this. That is what we are doing now. Okay.
okay,
So
okay.
letter name was different topic. That is done. Now we have to see the sounds. So we have done the sounds of 5 letters. A, E, I, O, U. Okay.
Yes, sir. And extra, it is just PDG का है पद
Yeah.
PDK
Yeah. In the end,
and
whenever BD is
yeah,
G is coming in the end, then sound is part and keep in touch.
and S का if single S then Z and if double S then S.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay, yeah. Yes, sir. I am done with this AEI.
Yeah. Okay, start from the top now. Speak the rule and the example from that BTG PTK. You can see my screen and then start.
Yeah,
Okay.
sir, I open in my laptop.
Okay.
So BDG, if the words are ending, then it is per, ter, ka. For example, geep is geep,
Hmm.
kind is kint,
Hmm.
TAG is tak. Then if there are 5 vowels, so if double A is coming before a single consonant like fragan, then we say it as fragan.
Hmm.
And if it is coming up before 2 consonants like alt, it's
Hmm.
ult.
Alt, not ult, it's alt.
Alt.
Okay.
Okay.
Alt, Fragan and Tragan.
For alt, fragan, and tragan.
Hmm.
In case of E, we say it A, like Azen, and Egal, it's I, and after A, there is single consonant L, so Al.
After
Egal.
Egal. Next.
Egal. Then I, we have 2 things. If I is coming before a single consonant, then it's E. If it's coming coming directly before double consonant, it's E. Like ist is isht. Then Vedar, Vide. Because in E, we say A, Vide. And built.
That Vidar you have to speak normally. Don't extend it. Not Vidar, not like that. Speak normally. Vidar.
Vidar. But sir, E is AY, right? So Vide.
So automatically that A sound is coming. Na Vidar. We don't have to sing a song. Vidar, not like that. Vidar. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Vidar. And build is built. Then O, if there is single consonant coming before, then it's O.
Not before, it's after. After single consonant.
Sir, here it is written before single consonant.
Here it is written O is coming before single consonant.
Yeah, O is coming before single
consonant. या तो ऐसा बोलो या फिर बोलो after O single consonant is coming.
Okay. Coming before single consonant, and O, if O is coming directly before double consonant.
Yeah.
Like odor.
Yeah.
Then Zol.
Zaul.
Zaul. Then Monat. And Quark. Sir, okay. In the end, it is ending with B, so Quark. Okay, yeah. And U is everything. It's double O. So Tun, Muter.
Tun, Mutter, and Shu.
Shu. Sir, SCH का SH हो जाता है.
Yeah, SCH is a combination. The sound is sh. Sound sh हो जाता है, SH हो जाता है. Don't change the spelling, okay? Sound will be sh. Shu. And
Shu.
H in the end is silent. That you will see later today. Okay? H in the end is silent. Okay. Now the next letter which we have is B. First consonant. Okay? So B, D, G, P, T, K, say what happens? B in the end becomes per. Sound is per whenever B is in the end. And remaining places, beginning or middle is B for Bombay. B for ball. Okay? So speak the example. Belen. Oben. Corp. After O, 2 consonants. So O for awesome. Corp. B in the end is per. Corp and Geep.
Geep.
Yes. Next is C. C is having the K sound. Speak the example. Camping.
Camping.
They have taken this word from English, so you can speak like English also. Camping. Okay.
Camping.
Yeah.
Sir, so this pronunciations we did this and the sound is completely different or what?
Yes, yes, obviously. We did the letter names. Letter name is different thing. Okay. Now
Acha,
we are
okay.
using the sounds. Okay. So letter name is different. Sounds are different. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Camping.
Next is D. D in the end is ter. BDG PTK. And
Yeah.
beginning of middle is D for dog. So speak the example. Doom.
Doom.
Then bider.
Bider.
Yeah. EI is I. Okay. EI is I.
Yeah.
And E in the end is
Yeah.
So EI is one more combination. I gave you na SCH. SCH is sure.
Yeah.
Like that,
Yeah.
EI is I. EI is one more combination. EI is I. So speak the example. Bider.
Bider.
Bider. Next is IE. Vidar. IE is E. Vidar.
Yeah. Vidar.
Vidar. Okay. So I have given you three combinations. SCH is sure. EI is I and IE is E. And one more thing. E in the end is A. So bider.
Bider.
Okay. Right. Okay. So doom. Bider. Vidar.
Yeah. Doom. Bider. Bider. Vidar.
Bart and hunt.
Bat and hunt.
Okay. Bart and hunt.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear? Bart and hunt. Next
Yeah.
is F. F is for sound. Speak the example. Fowl and shaft.
Fowl and shaft.
Yeah. AU is ow. AU is ow sound.
Yeah.
Okay.
AU is out.
AU is ow. So speak the example. Fowl. AU is one more combination that means ow. So fowl.
Sir, how many total combinations are there for do word ke?
Around 20-21 are there that we'll be doing in the next lecture. That is very important topic. More important than this what we are doing. Okay.
Okay.
So 4 I have taken today. SCH I have taken. EI, IE and one more AU. AU is ow. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever a combination is coming, we don't have to break it separately. AU का sound fixed है. It's fixed sound. Ow. Foul.
Ow.
Yeah.
Foul.
Foul and next shaft.
Shaft.
Okay. SCH you know already shaft. Okay.
Yeah. Shaft.
After A1
Foul
consonant
and
to A. Shaft.
Yeah.
So see, foul and shaft, the blue color is the actual word. Middle में it is the sound written. After the class, if you want to refer, you can refer this sound. It's written there, foul and shaft. Okay.
Yeah.
And right hand side is the meaning. So meanings you can leave right now. It's not required. You can, if you want, you can go through the meaning. Otherwise, not required. All the words will come again. Okay. Then
Yeah.
next is G. G in the end is K and beginning or middle is G for gun. Right?
Okay.
G in the end is K and beginning or middle is G for gun. So speak the example. Gegen.
Gegen.
Tak and Klug.
Tak and Klug. Yeah.
Okay. So now do one thing. Go through the letters from B till G. Right?
Yes.
Go through the vowels also, A, E, I, O, U, and go through the letter consonants also from B till G.
Yeah.
Do then the example. Go.
From done till G.
Okay. Start from this B. Speak the rule and the example from B.
Yeah. So B, if there is any normal B, then it's B, and in the end, if B is coming, then it's P.
Yeah.
Like Balin, it's Bylan,
Hmm.
Obain, Quark, and
Hmm.
Keep.
Next.
Then C, every time it's K.
K sound. Yeah.
Camping.
Camping. You can speak like camping also. It's an English word, so camping also is fine.
Okay,
Next.
camping. Then D, if it's normal D, then it's just D, and if it's in the end, it's T.
Hmm.
Like Doom,
Hmm.
Bide,
Hmm.
Vidare,
Hmm.
Bat,
Hmm.
Hunt.
Yeah.
F, normal, it's foot F.
Hmm.
Uh, foul,
Foul.
foul, and shaft.
Foul and shaft.
Yeah. Then
Yeah.
G,
Hmm.
it's Geigen,
Gegen. Hmm.
Gegen, Tak, and
Hmm.
Kluk.
Hmm.
Yeah. Till G we did, sir.
Yeah. Next is H. Okay. Next is the
Hmm.
letter H. H in the beginning. Beginning means first position is her. Okay.
Okay.
Beginning first position is her and middle or end it is silent. Right? Middle or end
Yeah.
it is silent.
Yeah.
Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So speak the example halt, gain and zain.
Halt, Gayan, Zayan.
Halt, gain and zain. Okay. Next is J. J is having the ya sound. Ya for yellow. Okay.
Okay.
J is having
Yeah.
the ya sound. Speak the example Yunga.
Jung.
Yes. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. That is Yunga. Next is K, L,
Junga.
M, N, P. Speak the example. Ka, la, mana, pa. Sound is same. So speak the
Kala
example.
Manapa.
Klasa.
Cluster.
Hmm.
Shiken.
Chicken. Hmm.
Keller.
Keller.
Will.
Hmm.
Utme.
Atman. Hmm.
Atmen. Shrimp.
Shrimp. Shrimp. Hmm.
Shrimp. Renan. Brown. And Lipper.
Renan, Brown and Lippa. Okay. Right? Okay. Go through the entire PDF from A till P. We'll be doing till P only today. Go through the entire PDF from A till P. Okay.
Yeah. Done, sir. Hello.
Done everything from P till
Yes, sir.
P?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Tell me any doubt anywhere so far, any letter, anything you want to
No.
ask?
No, sir.
No? Okay, then let's do till here today. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to revise this PDF. We'll be doing till P only today.
Okay.
Revise this PDF completely, and next class we'll be finishing this topic. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
1 second, let me close this.